roti, 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 आता, आता, आटा, आटा. Namaste friends, welcome to one of the most important lessons of the Hindi pronunciation. Today I am going to teach you how to pronounce the dental T and the retroflex T perfectly. But before starting everything, I would like to tell you a brief background of all this. In Hindi, the plosive consonants are divided into groups based on the position of contact of the tongue. They are pronounced the K group K Kh G Gh, the Ch group Ch Ch J Jh, the T group T Th D Dh, the T group T Th D Dh, and the P group P Ph B Bh. On the basis of the position, the groups are named velar, palatal, retroflex, dental and bilabial. I have written palato-alveolar because the sounds that we pronounce are actually palato-alveolar. The difficulty arises because in English only the alveolar T exists, which is close to the retroflex T, but the dental T does not exist, while in other languages like Italian and Spanish only the dental T exists, the retroflex T does not exist. In order to teach you how to pronounce the retroflex T and the dental T, first I need to explain you the mechanism of pronunciation of the English T. If we have a look at the inside of our mouth, we can see starting from front to behind, these are the lips, these blue ones are the teeth. Then here is something called alveolar ridge. Put your tongue here and you can feel the alveolar ridge, right? Now, to pronounce the English T, we touch the tip of our tongue on this alveolar ridge.
T, T, a T.
So you can verify it right now by pronouncing the words tip or tongue. Now from here I will direct you to how to pronounce the retroflex and the dental T. Easier of them is the dental T. So first we will go with the dental T. Pronouncing the dental T is so easy that you just have to place the tip of your tongue between your teeth in such a way that it is visible from outside, just like this. The. When I'm pronouncing the, a part of my tongue is visible from outside. Repeat after me. The. ताला, ताला, तरबूज, किताब, किताब, गलत, गलत. Now, if you add some aspiration to it, that is, while pronouncing the, you also breathe out some air with it, it becomes the next consonant. Th, th, the, th, the, th. And if we increase the vibrations in the pronunciation, it becomes
The,
the, th, the, न. ठीक है.
ta, ta, atta, at, tha, tha, atha, at, the, the, adda, ad, the, the, adha, ad.
Now come the retroflex sounds. To pronounce the retroflex sounds, you have to rest your tongue against the ridge in such a manner that the bottom part of your tongue is in contact with the roof of your mouth, is in contact with the ridge. Remember the bottom part of the tongue. So rest your tongue against the ridge. Okay, have you done this? Now, using your tongue, build up some pressure against the alveolar ridge. Build up some pressure and release. T, T. The mechanism of pronouncing the rest of the letters of the retroflex group is the same. T, th, d, dh, n. I repeat, t, th, d, dh, n.
Arda, 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 Arda.
Here you can see all the letters. Since while pronouncing the retroflex consonant, the tongue is in somewhat circular shape, you can remember that the retroflex letters are all somewhat round shaped. ठीक है? तो त, थ, द, ध, न. T, th, d, dh, n. Note the difference between tala, 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 tala. You can try pronouncing along with me. Tala, tala. Qatar, 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 qatar. Moti, 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 moti. Roti, 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 roti. Now, I think that the pronunciation and listening part of the dental and retroflex sounds is almost clear for you. Next comes is being able to connect the letters and the sounds. So in the next lesson, we are going to practice some words that contain the retroflex consonants and the dental consonants. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए चलता हूँ. नमस्ते.